Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. I'm Adish Ranjan, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can turn your web browser into a notepad. Okay, so as you know, we use Notepad on Windows computer and text edit on our Mac to note down something while we are browsing or doing something, and we find something to note down somewhere. So we generally use these tools for that. So do you know you can even note down in your web browser by converting into a notepad? So how to do it? For that, just open your browser and in the address bar type data text HTML. I have already done that quite a few times, so it is showing like this, that already typed content editable. Just enter and you can see that you can type here, right? Actually you can't save it just like you do with text editor or notepad, so it is just for just noting down something, and that's it. And this works for almost all the browsers as far as I know. Like if I try in Safari browser, like text HTML comma HTML content editable, right? And yes, we can write here also, so we can check in any other browser as well. Let's try with Firefox. Yes, that's there. Okay, so let's try in Firefox. Let it launch. Okay, so Firefox is launched. Type data text HTML comma HTML content editable. Okay, so we can write here as well. So I am using 3 browsers on my Mac, and this code is working in every browser. So using this line of code, you can turn any browser, any web browser, into a notepad to note down something and just close. That's it. So I hope you like this small trick. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.